Hey guys, what's up? I'm pissed, okay? Oh my god. Let me go ahead and start off the video by saying this was supposed to be trying to finesse an expensive wig or like a human hair wig for the first time, because this is the first ever expensive hair that I've owned. You guys know I keep it real with the synthetic wigs. I have plenty of videos about synthetic wigs, cheap wigs, beauty store supply wigs. I can be impressed. I can be sometimes disappointed, but I know what I paid for, okay? Today, that is not the case. I was sent a couple wigs by a huge hair brand. I was sent two wigs, one in the synthetic version and one in the 100% human hair version. This wig on my head, badly done, is $1,000. $1,000. And I don't know what you think I'm living like, but I don't really spend $1,000 on hair, okay? I was so excited to bleach the knots to make it look natural. Well, and not a single piece of hair was bleached in the making of this video. Imagine how I'd feel if I paid money for this wig. $1,000. Not only did the knots not bleach, I did a strand test on the actual hair and it did not bleach. If you want to see me fail, if you're plotting on my downfall, then go ahead and keep on watching. With synthetic wigs, you cannot do this, but with real hair wigs, you can. And basically what we're doing is we're bleaching out these knots. Let me see if you can see it better. But that's like a dead giveaway. So we're gonna bleach those all out to like a skin tone color, so that way it looks like it's coming out of your scalp. I'm gonna take this 20 volume developer and then this bright powder lightener. This is just a bleach. The developer is 4 ounces, so I'm not gonna need too much. I'm gonna try to do it kind of equal parts. I flipped the wig head inside out so that way I could put the bleach on. Yes, these are safety pins. This is what we really do when nobody's looking, so this is what I'm gonna do in real life. I accidentally got a clear developer instead of a cream, which I would usually use a cream, but we're gonna make it work. I'm not going back to the store. I do need it to get pretty light because my scalp is obviously light, so I'm gonna let her sit here for about 20, check on her, and see what's good. I've tried to bleach this frontal right here, and nothing is happening at all. I tried a 10 volume, a cream. I found a cream 20 volume developer. I used a liquid 4D. The knots are exactly the same as when I first started this video. But if you look closely at some parts of the hair, there are a couple little strands that have been bleached, tiny little pieces. That leads me to believe that this might be a mix. So I think I might go to the store and try one more bleach. And if not, then we're about to just go in. Literally just ran to Sally's to get more bleach. I'm not going back to the store. I'm not happy about it, but I got this one for dark hair, which I've used. Keep in mind, I use this when I used to bleach my hair all the time. We got the quick blue. We got the Clyde colors. If this doesn't work, synthetic. And not a single piece of hair was bleached in the making of this video. I'm gonna rinse this real quick and I'll be right back. Just to prove a point that the bleach does work, I threw like a tiny bit of bleach on the end of this piece of hair. There's just some on there. For like literally 5 minutes, barely even, and you can see it started to lift. I'm just gonna chop this little piece of hair off. As you can see, the knots are completely black still. That is how the scalp looks. This is like pre-plucked. I'm not gonna pretend like this is like a nasty, ugly wig or anything. Like you can see the way that it flows. It's a lot better than a regular synthetic wig that I would usually get, but I'm not paying $1,000 for something that's not really human hair. Man, I'm gonna try to do what I can with this. The only other really way I can camouflage these knots is by putting foundation on the lace. So I'm gonna just go ahead and flip this over real quick. And this does help a little bit, not as much as bleaching the knots was going to help, but yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm just using a little Fenty. It's got that real good coverage. got some really heavy duty Anastasia powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and slick my hair down real quick. Since my hair is dark and the wig is dark and it's probably the same color, it doesn't really matter. But if I'm not leaving any hair out, I just want it all tucked away and out of my way. That's kind of a look though, right? Just slick back, little chic. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on real quick. This is one I just got from Inserting Here, when they sent me those actually synthetic wigs that are actually said to be synthetic and they're actually affordable. The same brand that does like all those ponytails and everything. I'll leave a little discount code. So keep in mind, this is my first time doing it this way. I don't want to mess with my eyebrows. I'm pretending like I'm a pro right now. I'm not. So I'm just gonna, ooh. The chemicals of it all. The hole in the ozone layer. I don't even own a blow dryer because until recently I did not have hair. So we're literally just gonna have to sit here and the old-fashioned blow dryer, you know? If I pull this thing off and I cut off my whole sideburn, I'm gonna be hurt. I'm taking some foundation really quick and I am putting that all over the cap. You don't need to really cover the entire cap, I suppose. I mean, like, if you know you're not flipping your hair over here, then you don't really need it, but I guess it just depends on what you're gonna do with your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and throw her on real quick. I look like Pennywise right now with this forehead. Here's my hairline, and this hairline is way, way higher. But this is low, so unless I like pluck this further back, I don't think it's not really like my hairline, but I could probably put some baby hairs and cover that up. Oh my god, like, first of all, how am I supposed to cover the wig cap that I put on with this wig? It does not reach. Can't get any worse. Let's do this. Let's take the whole thing off and try to figure out what's going on. Okay, so that was a hot ass mess and it still kind of is. So I just tried to straighten this out. So I straightened out the hair because it was really, really frizzy. And I decided I'm gonna do a middle part instead of a side part because the side part makes me look like Elvis. So I'm just taking some mousse to comb back the hair because it is a little puffy. And yes, these freaking knots look disgusting still, and the wig is not laid at all. It's not adjustable in the back, it's just an elastic band. So I safety pinned it to make it tighter in my head because it's so loose. I'm gonna throw some foundation up in here and hope for the best, because these knots are still horrific, but I hope it might help a little bit. And then I'll throw some bronzer over it too, so that way at least it matches my scalp, or at least it matches my hairline. That's not what I was trying to do at all. So for the sake of trying to camouflage this lace just a little bit, and because I probably couldn't make it look any worse anyways if I tried, I'm just gonna put a little bit more in the front. I would not go out of the house like this, period. I think I was on like somewhat of the right track, but it just got derailed. Anyways, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and enjoyed my big fat fail and enjoyed seeing me struggle, because, you know, sometimes it's like that. Feel free to follow the experts, the real experts, okay? Do not forget to like this video, subscribe. If you want to see other hair videos I've done, because I'm a hot ass mess with the hair, I have an entire playlist for you to enjoy. Some are kind of cool, a lot of them are kind of trashy, so check it out. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.